Hi everyone, welcome back to another photo manipulation walkthrough. This one is called Echoes and is made in 2016. Let me show you how this one was made and jump right in. Once the model was masked, I placed a couple of cool textures on her neck and arms. The textures are part of a waterfall and are set to subtract blending mode. For the background, I started with a piece of a nebula stock photo and also some light blue pieces that came from a cave stock photo, which I set to screen mode. Now let's turn on the layers in the bubbles and light effects map. At the bottom, I place some stardust set to screen mode. All the bubbles are also set to screen. I thought it would be cool to add some jellyfish around the model. These are all set to screen mode. I hope you liked it. See you guys around. Take care.